New Orleans today. Hey, hey, yeah. Oh. But I was born down by the river in a town where I came. All the folks, they pick the guitars and they could go down the country lane. Oh. Now when I was just a baby, Pappy come my way, and he told me up his guitar. He said, "Son, play the country lane."